This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, situation on the gold market is difficult and simple at once, at the same time, because the market stands in such area that at first glance is obvious that support, and probably we could suggest that some bounce should happen, but at the same time we have the target on daily time frames around 1250 area that hasn't been hit yet, and the trickiness of the current situation stands with the placement of this target. If this target could stand slightly higher than these lows, in this case we will not have a lot of concerns about it. But the trickiness of the situation is because this target stands slightly lower than these lows. And since market very rare leave targets behind, we could say that probably this target will be hit sooner or later by the market. But whether market will show the bounce up from this target, that is the different question. Because when the market will hit this target, the stops have been placed right below these lows will be triggered. The market simultaneously could pass through significant distance to the downside. In this case, market could not show any respect of this target and proceed right to the previous swing low. That is always the concern when the target stands slightly below or above some previous extreme point. Meantime, as we said yesterday, that probably it's better to think about taking the profit around 1270, 1275 area, because that will be the support cluster, and you can see market has hit it. By this yesterday's trading session, market has hit simultaneously monthly pivot support one, and now shows the bounce up from this area. Now, what we could do if, depending on the different view on the market. So, if you have the bullish view on the market, it's better to not take the long position until market will not touch this target. And if market will touch it and show the wash and rinse of these lows, I mean that market will hit the target and will fast return right back above it, above this previous swing low. So some sort of the just clearing stops and returns right back. In this case, the scalpers could try to take the long position with the bounce, since that will become the confirmation that bounce will start and it will continue. It's very difficult to say how extended this bounce will be, but that will be the confirmation signal that market has formed wash and rinse, just grabbed stops right below this previous swing low and is ready to show some retracement. Or if market will show either retracement up right now or will break this to the downside and will be the true breakout to the downside. In this case, those of you who would like to take the short position could do this. Before that will happen, market now stands in such area that is very the concentration of the risks, if we could call it, because slight move up or lower could trigger the absolutely unpredictable scenario that carries a lot of risk. And I think that the current situation, the taking of these risks a bit could become too expensive for any account. That's why I prefer to wait a bit. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we see. Also take a look that market has completed the ABCD pattern that we have discussed yesterday, and also has hit the weekly pivot support one. So that is really support cluster. Weekly pivot support one, monthly pivot support one, trend line, ABCD target, and market is now, take a look, shows some small minor bounce to the upside. So if you're bearish and you would like to take the short position, the first area that you could keep an eye on is right here. It's around 13 even. That is, you can see 4-hour confluence resistance, and take a look, weekly pivot point. So that will be normal situation, if market will react on this support, on this intraday chart ABCD pattern, show this minor bounce to the confluence, and then proceed right to the 618 or even break through it. That's the first scenario that you could watch if you're bearish. If market will not reach this area, then wait when the market will pass through this 618 target. And if there will not be any wash and rinse, market just will hold below these lows and will continue to move lower, then try to take position on the retracement or maybe on the retesting of these lows, because gold market has the habit to retest previously broken areas. That's what about bearish view. Well, about bullish, I have said already that probably you should watch for the wash and rinse. So if market will show the wash and rinse of these lows and returns that back above, this will be the chance to take the long position, but not to hold the long position. That is only the scalp trade. Take the closest target and close the position, because overall context on the gold market is bearish. And take a look that this leg in fact is faster than that one. The acceleration with the ABCD points on the bearish strength. That's market really has the significant bearish power and is really probably will continue to move lower. At least that is 2 moments that I will keep an eye on. So my preferable scenario is to wait for reaching of the reaching of this area and then watch for the potential possibilities to take the short position. Well, I'm not sure that I will take any long position in the gold market right now, but since I know, guys, that among of you a lot of scalp traders, I just want to point you on the scenario that probably could give you more chances to succeed if you would like to take the long position on the gold market.